Oh, it's tea. Yes. Y'all think I ate this up? Let me know. Hey y'all, I'm Jasmine or Jasmine. If you're new here, hi. Finally making my return to YouTube. I know. Let's hear some commotion. I have been on TikTok for like the past 2 years, I want to say. I don't know how long exactly, but I have been loving the short form content on TikTok. You know, the 30-second to 1-minute videos, they have me in a chokehold, like real bad. I get distracted very easily, so I'm gonna try to do like a get to know me while I'm also doing my makeup. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Hold on, like the face card eats a little bit. Okay, so we're just gonna start with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I do what works for me. See, I think I do want to go to like a makeup class though. Or I probably don't even have to do a makeup class. I probably just have to go to TikTok or YouTube University. Because honestly, you can learn so much on YouTube. It's crazy. I taught myself how to master Photoshop and all that just from YouTube. And practice, of course. Practice, definitely. But the foundation of it, like the basics and everything, I studied. I got right on YouTube with a pen and paper and just studied. And I feel like that's with everything in life. Whatever you want to learn or do, I feel like you can teach yourself pretty much anything from just practice. Talking about practice, like I use the NARS Macau foundation, and it's been my holy grail for years now. Okay, I am just skipping right over the get to know me part. Like, I need to do better. Anyway, I'm 29. Oh, I'm pushing 30. But yeah, I'm 29 or 25. I am a Libra. Yes, so you already know I can't make a decision to save my life. Oh, this okay. It still matches for it now, so that's good. That's why I want a skin tint, because you know foundation can sometimes be too heavy. I'm gonna have to move my hair out the way. And I didn't even tell y'all what I was using to conceal. I'm using my NARS concealer. So I started doing like the clothing videos, and I started doing the Shein hauls, Fashion Nova hauls, and you can see as the time goes on from that last video to my clothing videos today, you can really see like my confidence coming through the video. Because at first I was like, I'll record it, edit it, but you could tell that I wasn't really like as confident in my last video or my older videos versus now. I'm like, I got into my routine. I know how to pose, how to do my intros and all that. As far as my confidence, you can really tell I am, you know, it's there. And I feel like as I keep going on and on, I'll be like the best of the best. Like you need to hype yourself up, because other people not gonna help you hype you up at all. Be your biggest fan, and it don't matter if you have 1 view, 10 view, or 1 view, 10 views, 100 views, 1,000, 10,000. Like, I feel like you still need to post the content, because just because your video got 10 views yesterday, by the end of the week you can have 1,000. Like, and I think that's one thing that like used to discourage me when I first started. I would only get like 200 views, and then sometimes I will let that stop me from posting another video, and then other days I'll be like, just post it. I will see so many videos on TikTok and they'll be like, post the content. Like, and I'm telling you now, post the content. Like, people want to see you. They do. They really do. Sorry, that was it for my like little TED Talk. I'm not like I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm getting sidetracked. See, this is what I said when I say I cannot do my makeup and talk at the same time, because one, I'm gonna start rambling. Two, I'm gonna stumble over my words, and then you're not gonna know what I'm talking about by the end of the video. Here, translucent. I'm a beginner in the aspect of I stick to what I know. So, foundation, concealer, powder, setting spray, lip gloss, and that's it. Okay. If I was a real true makeup girly, I feel like the next step before that, before the setting powder would have been contour, like here. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe setting spray. Okay, I just started using this a few years back, but I used to be an Urban Decay girl so bad, and I still might use this today. I used to use this faithfully. Urban Decay, that, and I used to use the e.l.f. setting spray too. I feel like I didn't really do a good job of like explaining who I am. If you want to leave some questions down below on other questions you want to know about me, and I will definitely record another video for you giving you more insight of who I am. My channel, I want to focus still on like the hair content, the makeup content, and then I also want to do some vlogs too, because I feel like I'm really fun in person, but nobody really gets to see that. So yeah, that's what I want to focus on, like beauty, makeup, or beauty, hair, lifestyle, and all that good stuff. My key points that I add my highlight is definitely my cheeks, of course, my nose, and then the bridge of my nose, and then I do a little bit under my brow, like that. Clips out and give y'all like a real look with the hair, with the bust down middle parts. Yes, jet black bust down middle parts. This is the finished look. I think it came out cute. I love it. I need to take some pictures. I love it. I need to go out somewhere. I need to go out in the street. Let me know in the comments down below. Y'all think I ate this up? Like, this is like my basic makeup look that I always do, my go-to. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments, again, like I've been saying, I feel like throughout the whole video, what you want to see more from me. I'm definitely bringing the clothing videos, and definitely bringing the makeup tutorials, hair videos, all that. But if you want to see something outside of that, just let me know in the comments. All right, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.